Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the recent fashion pickups. Yeah, it's quarantining time and I'm bored, so I thought I'd come on here and show you some of the new things that I got over the past a month and a half, I think. So not all this was bought at once. I just want to clarify that because I could do it, but like, you know, I feel very bad afterwards. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna start off with TOPMAN first. I mean, see, because I've expanded into ZARA now, and I really love ZARA's clothes. I used to hate it because I thought the quality was like really just bad, but like everything I've been getting from them, I've just been like obsessed with. And I buy a lot of furniture like and accessories from them, so I thought, you know, I should expand into their fashion as well. So that's what we have here. So I'm going to start off with the TOPMAN stuff. First of all, let's just get the boring stuff out of the way first. I got like this just black t-shirt because I wanted a t-shirt that kind of came up a bit higher, so it wasn't like, you know, showing a lot of like your collarbones. I don't know, that was a nice transitional piece, like from winter into spring, into summer hopefully, and it's like a just simple black t-shirt because I don't really have many and I thought I should pick one up, so yeah. Okay, and then I got a green kind of cardigan, and like I never wear cardigans, so I don't know where I thought I was going with this, but like also I kind of really loved it, so I got it anyway. And I have worn it. I've worn it like maybe 3 times since I got it, and I got it maybe about 5-ish weeks ago. And yeah, I really like it. It's just a simple green cardigan, and it's nice to have some variety in your wardrobe, and it's kind of a bit oversized as well, which I like, because I'm just into that oversized look at the moment. So yeah, that's item number 2. Okay, and then I got this. Okay, so I was eyeing this up for, I'd say 2 weeks before I actually bought it, because I seen it under Instagram first, you know, like the campaign pictures they do, and I seen it and I thought I want that so badly. So yeah, and it's like, see, I wish I got like a size bigger. I got a size medium, but like it's still just a bit, it's not like perfect size. It's like, it fits fine, but like I just wanted that extra bit bigger, you know, because I don't know why, but like I like the color. It's like a rust color, and I got this with the black t-shirt because I was going to wear them both together, with like black jeans or something, or like corduroy trousers or something. I don't know, I had an effort in my mind when I bought it, but yeah, I've worn this one a lot. Actually, I have worn this a lot, because it's just so versatile, like, and it has like, it's not just like an overshirt, like it has like quilting on the inside, which was like a big selling point because I liked that, like it had that kind of cozy and like layered and like thick look. So I really like it, and that's this item. So on to the next. Okay, I also got a jacket because you know I love jackets. Like, I love jackets. So I got this one. It's just a black with like a pinstripe going through it, and I thought like it was really fun looking. Basically it's just a black jacket, and it's like kind of has that like poofy look and feel, and I really like that. So especially with Irish weather, like, I mean, you need a jacket, you need a good jacket. So I got this, I think I got it on the sale as well. I think that's why I got it, because I was eyeing it up before, but like it wasn't on sale, so I was like, don't really need it. And then it was on sale, and I was like, you know what, let's just get it because I like to live on the edge. Okay, and that's all the TOPMAN stuff. Now I want to show you something else I got. Okay, so this just came today. Okay, so you know I'm not a shoe person. Like, I'm not a shoe person. I don't buy loads of shoes or spend like a lot of money on shoes. I don't, because it doesn't bother me. But like, I seen a video, okay, and I seen this like outfit that this guy wore, and like it was like an overcoat, and then he had these shoes on, and like I was like, I want them shoes. I didn't realize they were like €120. I didn't know that, but they were, and I think that's no, I spent more shoes before, but like this, still, this is, I think that's a lot of money for shoes, because like literally you're going to get destroyed because you're walking in them all the time. But anyway, I got them. Okay. Oh my god, like, are these not just so cool? Okay, so I know like the Air Force is like a thing, they've been around for a long time, but I haven't seen many people wearing the one that's black thick. And to be honest, I think the one with the black thick is nicer because like it's not like as stark. I just think the other ones are just, the white ones are just so like white, like, you know, they're very white. And I like the contrast of this. I feel like it's a lot more versatile because it's not just like a white box on your feet. There's a bit more interest there. So that's why I got these ones, and they just came today. I haven't tried them on. Don't know if they're going to fit or not, but you know, fingers crossed. Okay, I also got these on TOPMAN. These are just a pair of Levi jeans. They're just black, like really simple, just black skinny jeans. Because my previous ones, I had worn them so much that the knees had all gone like worn. So like I had to get a new pair. That wasn't a fun one to buy. That wasn't a fun one to buy because like I had to get it. So like kind of took the whole point. I just didn't like enjoy buying it because I had to buy it. Okay, now for ZARA. Okay, so I should probably start with what I'm wearing. I got this in ZARA as well. It's just like a tie-dye kind of sweatshirt. I love it. Like I seen this and I went to ZARA to get two things, like two outfits, like just a shirt, two shirts. That's what I went on for, and then I ended up with like two extra things. Yeah, two extra things. Just like this sweatshirt. So I got this. This is tie-dye. I just think this is so me. Like this is just such a me jumper. Like I gravitated towards it and I had to have it. So I added to cart and I just held my breath and I was like, purchase. So I got this. Okay, so then I also got this. Okay, this was a struggle. This one was a struggle. So I had this idea to get like an oversized kind of denim-ish, but not like denim, like overshirt kind of thing. Just so like it's not as restricted. But like my idea was to kind of have it like oversized and have like the top kind of opened and have like a couple of chains in there and then like rings. This is a vision I had for an outfit, but I didn't get to wear it because of coronavirus. So I still have it anyway. But this is it. It's just because I ordered it first in large and I'm not a large, so I thought large is going to be big, but no, large came and it fit me just right. So I wanted that oversized look, so I had to go up a size to extra large. I think that's the biggest size they do, which I mean, ZARA, come on, you need to be doing bigger sizes because that's just not like inclusive like whatsoever. So yeah, it's just, I really like it. And it's really like nice quality denim as well. Like it's nice and soft. And yes, I just love it. It has that boxy look that I like. But yeah, okay. And then I got this. It's a more kind of, it's a tighter fitting shirt. It's actually really interesting. It's very like kind of vintage looking. I wore this out actually on Saturday night. I gotta take it out my throat. I don't have it. Sorry, I don't have the COVID-19. So yeah, this what do I say about it? I mean, it kind of washes me out. Like, also, do I care? Not really. I still really like it. And yeah, I felt really good in it. So that's all that matters, isn't it? And then I got a hoodie. Now, one thing about ZARA is they do amazing hoodies. Like, if you were to get a hoodie, I'd 100% recommend getting one from ZARA because, oh, like, they just do the best hoodies in my opinion. Like, they're so soft and they have that perfect, like, fit. Like, they're not, like, tight. They're just, like, so it's like I can't even rave about it enough. Like perfect hoodies. So I just got a grey one. And after getting this one, I will be getting a lot more. I got a red one before and a white one before from ZARA like 2 years ago, and they still have like, they're still soft and they're not like, you know, like bubbles. What's that called? You know, when like you get the stuff like, you know, the stuff pilling. Yeah, anyway, they don't do that, which is nice, even though around the hood is getting a bit like that, which I mean is annoying, but like also, do I care? Not really. And yeah, that is everything I got. Hopefully I can make your day a bit better, and I'm gonna try to get more videos done, but like, you know, I still have projects that I'm doing, that I'm working on behind the scenes, but they're not gonna be happening till after. It's just confusing. It's a confusing time, but you know what? we'll get through it together. And with that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, and stay safe.